The company that I work at right now is Triangle Package Machinery Company. We've been around for over 95 years, close to 97 years, making packaging machines, primarily in the food service industry. It's a family-run company here in Chicago. We've been here the whole time, and I came on board with them about 6 years ago with the goal of implementing a new ERP system. And as Ken can tell you, NAV was not even on their radar as the solution that they were picking. They had picked out a few other solutions, and when I came on board and was meeting with them, I had said, have you guys ever looked at this particular product? No one had ever heard of at the time NAV, now Business Central, and they were like, no, but they were actually going to use it as just a comparison tool to prove that the ERP system they were going with was the right choice. And after looking at NAV, after Ken had done his demonstration and really just sort of working through the demos and everything like that, it became clear that NAV wasn't really the option, just to prove that our other system was right. It actually buried the other system and became the clear choice of which one to go with. So it's a testament to the program, but also, our relationship with SSI and just, how working with you guys was good for a company like ours.